So I'm at the post office in Key West, and they got roosters and chickens all over. See the little chicken? They got a cluck cluck there. And then right back there in the bushes, they got the little babies. And then when I walked over here, hey folks. Right over by the post office here. There he is right there. Lizard. An iguana. Right there. The big old iguana right there. That's one of them. I just saw like 4 of them here. There's a other little one that went in the bushes here. And there's a huge one that just climbed up. There's 2 of them right on the tree right here. Right. There is one looking at me. And then there is another one. You can only kind of see his body. They're huge. Oh, and here's another one up here. Let me see if I can get that one. He's up on the branch right there. Iguanas all over the place down here. There's 3 of them, 4, 5 of them right here. Oh, and you heard the rooster in the background. And there's a couple more chickens and their babies. They're all over. It's Key West, Florida.